I had a quick video I really wanted to do for you. I got a question about my lights, the 5000K lights I use. They're a low pro panel that they just drop into your ceiling. I was going to give you the information off the back of them. I don't have a box anymore, so I don't have that. And it's been a little while since I bought them. But I'm going to get this model for you so you can see what it is. There's what it is. There's the model. The output. It's this one right here at the bottom with the dot. That's what it is. It's considered a 50 watt. It's a 5000K. I bought it in June of 2017. Still working. Hopefully it gives you all the information you need. Now I bought it off eBay. I don't remember what vendor it was, but I just go on eBay and type in that. It'll pop up a bunch of choices. I think mine came out of Texas somewhere. So I like them. I enjoy them, especially for a drop ceiling. I wish, because this has got a metal ceiling, I wish someday I could rip out the drop ceiling. Laundromats are better if you don't have drop ceilings. They're better if you make them taller because it seems bigger. And then people are like, wow, this laundromat's huge. A lot of times you can paint that white, you can paint it shiny, silver color, you can make it bright. Then you can put lights up higher, makes people feel like it's a bigger place. And that's one thing in this place. Eventually I will do that. I will drop that ceiling out and then I'll make these lights go somewhere else. But hope that's what you're looking for. Hope that was the information. Any other questions, feel free to ask. You know, I'll try to make a video where I pop in some of the products I use and things I've found helpful over the years. So this is a short video. Just wanted to give that out to you. Hey, take it easy. See you next time.